For today's vlog, samahan nyo kaming i-explore ang hidden gem na nakita namin dito sa UAE. Diba? Ang lakas maka-provincial vibes. Napaka-relaxing ng lugar. This hidden gem is located in Ras Al Khaimah. Mga 1 oras o 1 oras at kalahati ang biyahe papunta dito mula sa Dubai. Perfect for family and camping ang lugar na to, pero mas perfect kung merong magdadrive para sa'yo para ikaw you'll stay fresh. To reach the main attraction, you'll need to trek for about 10 minutes. That short walk feels like eternity, lalo na kung wala kang exercise. But don't worry, konti lang naman yung iaakyat pataas, tapos pababa na ulit. Parang life lang, minsan may pataas, tapos may pababa. Charis. Pero once na makita mo na yung view, super worth it lahat ng pagod mo. And once I reached the pool, I was greeted by a still, calming waters and a subtle natural aroma that only added to the authentic charm of the spot. O diba, sa sobrang ganda na pa-meditate pa, pero may kasama ding nosebleed. Charis! Pero bungad pa lang yon, kailangan yung baybayin ng lugar na ito para makita ang pinakamagandang view nila dito. Just like in real life, if you practice patience and endure a little discomfort, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking view. Best time to visit these places after the rain para mas madaming water at mas maganda tingnan. Pero kailangan mag-ingat dahil madulas ang daan. O siya, ayun na muna for today. Ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section ng lugar na to para mapuntahan nyo din. Don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!